Alright, what's up guys? So I have this is a US 65 here with 0603 22,000 motors, and this thing is really solid, but these motors have kind of had it, and they're kind of, the bells are starting to kind of slip out, and so I'm going to be doing an upgrade, and I have this here is a Mobula 7. And what I'm going to be doing is taking the motors out of the Mobula 7, and which are 0802s, and these just a few little screws there, and they come right out via JST. I'm going to take these motors out of the Mobula 7 and put them on to this Beta FPV frame with the US 65 brains or board, and get these 063s out of here. Remember, the Mobula 7 can fly on 1S, and these motors are doable on 1S. I'm going to put, these motors are going on to a 65mm frame instead of a 75mm frame. And what am I going to do with the Mobula 7 board? Here I have a Beta FPV. Since I didn't have very good luck with the Beta FPV 75X binding, if you see my last video, I tried everything and it didn't work. So now I'm going to take this frame right here, Beta 75X frame with the 1103s on it. This has 1103 motors, and I'm gonna launch this guy on there, the Mobula 7. So it's going to be called a Beta Mob. So the Beta Mobula is going to be what I'll be showing you here in the flight footage. Actually, what I'll be showing you is a little bit of this guy with the 0802s, and then the Mobula 7 with the 1103s from Beta FPV, the 75 X frame, and hopefully everything works out. Contemplating, I probably am going to put a XT30 on it, but I'm still, actually probably not right now, because I have some new Beta FPV 300 mAh 1S batteries that I'd like to try out before I do that whole entire conversion and put a nice denser cord in here. Oh, but also I did take up, these are going to be, these right here are the little JST male. I think these are the males. These are like, there's no way this camera's gonna pick it up. There's absolutely no way. No, this camera's bad for that. That's the one thing. I will not be able to zoom, but these are solid pins in here, as opposed to, I don't know, you have to watch another video from these other guys. This is just a regular 1S connector here. Those pins have like they're like hollow basically, whereas these pins are solid, and I got them from, I'll leave the description in the bottom if you're interested in these, but I'm going to put this 1S pin on all these. Actually, I'm going to try to switch these all out to these and see what the difference is, and maybe just kind of take some video of before and after, but yeah. Alrighty, what you're looking at here is the Sheen almost ready. I have these are the Happy Model little motors here. These are the 802s, 0802s, 0802, 16,000. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, these are all the motors lying around. These are my 0802, or I'm sorry, 0603 22,000s from Racer Star. And these did great. These were a great upgrade. I really like these. I'm going to try to get another pair or another set maybe soon. I don't know. Like I said, I like having them around. They're really fast. But yeah, I'm moving on up.
So
I made enough room right there, as you can see. Took out the access or the holder to the receiver, and now it's going to be able to fit two of these. Oh man, nice and tight. There we are. Whether or not this is too heavy, I have no idea. We will see right now. Wow. Alright, so what you just saw there was this guy right here. And what this is the mobula body, or mobula brains on the Beta FPV 75X. Alright, and so overall, this unit here needs some tuning, which I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. I have no idea where to start, guys. Might just leave it where it is and just kind of learn how to maneuver. But it's not that bad. There's a little bit of prop wash. I don't know if you guys can help me out which direction to go. Like I said, I put 1103s. These are like supposedly the lightest 1103s, 11,000 kV motors, and switched them out from 0802s, 16,000 kVs. And so what direction do I go to tune this device here? The dexterity. Okay, so Beta FPV sent me an extra set of motors that I'm going to hang on to. And so I highly recommend these motors to go along with the Mobula 7 that you may have, or any other micro drone that you have. And so if you are aware of what's going on right now, Beta FPV just put out this. And this is the Beta FPV Pro Series 2S Whoop drone. Okay, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing video here shortly after this, after I upload this video, and it's going to be comparing this guy to more or less what I just built right here, the 1103 motors. And I'm just going to do a straight across comparison. Maybe it's better to just get this 1103s for $40 and then just attach them to your Mobula if you're going to upgrade, instead of buying a whole new drone, which I did. You can't have enough, guys. I really like this hobby. These guys are in my area, probably really easily resellable. So if I get tired of them, I can probably resell them, or just hang on to them and just keep them as part of my history, or something I wasted money on. But or something more, guys. I think possibly if you make this drone life size, like the size of a Civic, it'd be kind of cool to fly around. And possibly if you put nice little bumpers on it, like this guy, it won't be so bad if you crash. So this might be the future vehicle.